So level 5, sport mode, leisurely pedalling, 999 watts showing on the display. Engwe has kindly sent me this folding fat tyre e-bike with full suspension. For those of you who follow my channel, I've had a crazy busy week riding absolutely mental 14,000 watt terrifying e-bikes. And been such a busy week that I'm genuinely looking forward to just jumping on something, and I'm hoping this, I honestly think there's an e-bike for every occasion. You know, if you're lucky enough to own more than one e-bike, I quite like having something you can just jump on and cruise around on and actually be comfortable. As much as I like a terrifyingly fast e-bike, I also like something that's just a comfy cruiser. It's a beautiful day. Just literally want something to just cruise down to town on, grab some breakfast, grab some lunch at the cafe, grab a coffee. So yeah, I'm just going to get straight out on this and see what it's like. I'll probably hit a little bit of trails and parks on the way, just see what it's like. I'm not usually a massive fan of folding bikes. I just think they don't normally look very cool. This one, however, I just think in black, it's actually generally quite nice. It's quite crazy to have an e-bike with so many features, to be fair. You've got like a backlight with a built-in brake light, which is pretty mad. I've never had a working brake light on an e-bike. Another really nice feature is the fact that this is actually full suspension. It's not always something you get common on a folding bike. Like, it's just really well spec'd. Thing is though, this is actually quite big, this bike. I'm like 5'6", and to be fair, the bars are at the lowest setting. They're so huge. I don't know if those of you that follow Andy Kirby's channel, he had a similar EP2 Pro, I think it's called, and he fitted some BMX handlebars, which I think is a pretty cool upgrade to do on these bikes if you prefer more of a normal kind of handlebar that's not ridiculously high. Yeah, I love the spec on this thing. It's sort of equipped with literally everything. It's got 7-speed on it. It's got, yeah, not only has it got pedal assist, it's got this thumb throttle here, you've got a horn. Actually comes equipped with hydraulic instead of cable disc brakes, which is a nice touch. Pretty much got every feature you'd want on it, really, for this sort of bike. Not sure I'm a massive fan of folding pedals, but that might be helpful for someone who needs to make this small for storage. Kickstand built into it, bike rack on the back. I think the only thing left to do is just to get out and see what this rides like, because I've got high hopes of this bike, if I'm honest. It's pretty fast on pedal assist. Wow. Oh, straight up to 25. It's pretty impressive. Feels quite chunky, like it's built to do this kind of thing, like a little mixture of off-road. It's fast. 25. Whoa. Oh dear. I'm meant to be cruising today, I don't know what's going on. I said I needed a chilled one and I realised it's actually quite fun to ride. It's actually quite a capable off-roader, this thing. Can't believe I'm actually saying that about a folding bike, but it's hella fun just ripping around the woods. It ain't slow, I'll tell you that. Whoa! Whoa! Jeez, holy shitballs, right. I've never had a bike where the left lever is the front brake and the right lever is the back brake. Okay, for any of you that might want to buy this, don't try and skid with the left lever. That's normally the back brakes on most bikes. I personally would want to change that around. That's terrifying. I went to just kick the back end out and nearly died. The front end, as you see, slid out from me, and yeah, that was quite terrifying. So I won't be slamming on the brakes hard on this in a hurry till I get used to the fact that the rear brake is on the right hand lever. Brakes are good. I'm getting used to it now, it's quite fun. What do you think of the horn? Right, when I had this on level 5 eco mode before, it was maxing out at 450 watts. It feels a lot quicker. I still haven't had top speed out of it. Hopefully I'll test that on this little road trip. Maybe I'll test it now. I'm going to see what it maxes out at on the wattage on the display, because as I said before, it's only reaching 450 and it's marketed as a 750 watt e-bike. So it's slightly disappointing in eco mode. It did about 20 mile an hour, but don't judge it on that because it has got a sport mode, which we're going to test now. So level 5. Sport mode, leisurely pedaling, 999 watts showing on the display, 25 straight away, 28, 30, still pulling. Wow, that is seriously impressive for a folding fat tyre bike. Still pulling at 32 miles an hour. Really, really impressive. Really smooth on these sort of roads. Really smooth. Mixture of the suspension and the fat tyres is actually so comfortable right now. Yeah, I could get used to this as the regular cruising bike when you fancy something nice and chilled. I think I was talking about this being something that you can just get on and cruise around comfortably. However, once you get used to the fact that the brakes are the wrong way around on the handlebars, it's quite capable on a bit of sort of woodland trails and trail riding. It's actually not bad at all. Smashing up this hill at 22 miles an hour. Them brakes are really sharp as well. Might have a chance to try the top end on this now and get around this bend. $28, $32. Coming to the end of the road. Quite comfortably got to 33 mile an hour then. That is pretty damn awesome. I'm so glad that I figured out how to find sport mode on this thing, because this bike's actually really good. I'm generally impressed with it. Brakes are real sharp on it. It's got really fat tyres. It's got twin suspension front and back, full suspension, big cushion seat. It's actually probably the most comfortable e-bike that I've possibly ever ridden, definitely in a long time, which is nice. You can go woods, you can go trails, you can go over parks. It's fast on the roads. This is seriously a good all-rounder e-bike. It's good for cruising, it's good for urban, it's good for off-road. It's good for those who haven't got much space and need a folding bike. Let's see if we can beat 33 miles an hour. I've not got that much space to do it in. 27. Running out of room. 33. Oh man. Yeah, I don't want to die. This thing's going to do like 35, no issues. No issues whatsoever, I think. Just need a little bit more space and room. What a sick little bike. Brakes. Brakes are so sharp it throws the whole bike. It's crazy. Really good brakes on it, really good brakes on this. Not too sure about the horn on it. Trying to think of somewhere I can get full speed out of this bike. Max speed. I know you're probably not supposed to, but I feel like you can keep up with the traffic in this thing. I'm riding it like a motorbike. Look at me on the outside of the little dual carriageway one-way system. It don't feel sketchy at all for like keeping up with traffic. And here we go. Are we going to upset people? Am I going to cause a queue of traffic of angry car drivers? 25 mile an hour. 30. Here we go, 32. 33. Yeah. I think if you're going downhill, this will pull much more than 33. But on the flat road, I think 33 mile an hour is where this thing's at, which is pretty decent to be fair. I certainly would not complain. I'm quite happy if any e-bike does 30 mile an hour. Pretty decent. Let's go get some breakfast. Alright. Oh, it's nice and cool, guys. What can I say about this? I honestly am the sort of person, if something's rubbish and I do a product review on it, I will tell you if it's rubbish. This is actually exceeded my expectations. It's faster than I thought it was, it's more comfortable than I thought it was, and it's more of an all-rounder than I thought it was. I just thought this would be quite a slow cruiser. It's actually, dare I say it, kind of fast. Like, not seriously fast, but for what it is. This thing hits 33 miles per hour, which is really respectable for something with big fat wheels, quite a chunky bike. Honestly, can recommend this bike as a great all-rounder. It's fast on the roads, it's decent off-road on sort of light trails, woods, it's got a comfortable seat, big fat tyres, full suspension. It is an honestly blinding all-round bike, so hats off to Engwe. Do recommend buying this bike generally. I don't think you'll be disappointed with it. I'll leave the link for this bike in the description. If any of you guys are interested in a pretty well priced all-round bike, then hit these guys up. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys in a video soon. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe as always. It helps push this video out to more people, which is fantastic. And I'll see you guys in a video soon.